Hello everyone, welcome to the StudyBot channel. Today we are going to learn how to find square root of any number. So here we will discuss about three methods of finding square root of any number. Okay, so the first method is the division method. As we all know, the division method is the most basic method of finding square root of any number. Okay, so the first example on the division method is to find square root of 4, 2, 2, 5. Okay, so the first step here is to mark the digits in pair from the right hand side only. Okay, then what we'll do is that we'll find a digit whose square is either equal to this 42 or just less than this. Okay, so if I take 6, the square of 6 is 36, and suppose we take 7, then square of 7 is 49. Okay, so as you can see that 49 is larger than 42, so we cannot take 7. We'll have to go with 6 only. Okay, so we write 6 here and 6 6 we write 36 here. Okay, as in normal division we subtract here and we get 6, and remember this point that the whole pair comes down. Okay, so 625, and outside we add this 6 with itself only, so we get 12 as our next divisor. Okay, but this 12 is not a complete divisor, we have to complete it, and we'll complete it by how? We'll add a digit after this 12, and by multiplying the whole number with that digit only, we'll try to get to 625. Okay, so let me give you an example here. If I write 122, so I added 2 here, so I'll multiply this whole number with 2 itself. Okay, so here I will get 244. So you can see that 244 is far away from 625, so we have to increase the digit. So I'll go with 125. So you can see that if I multiply 125 with 5 itself, then it comes to be 625, and it matches with here 625. So we'll write 5 here and 625 here. Okay, and this is our answer, so we write 5 here also. So the square root of 4225 is coming out to be 65. Okay, moving on to the next example, we'll have to find square root of 15129. Okay, the process is exactly the same. First we have to mark the digits in pair from the right hand side. Okay, here you can see that 1 is left alone. Okay, it need not be like always there won't be a pair. Okay, we can get single digits also, so we need not to worry. We'll only have to do what? Multiply this 1 with 1 itself, because 1 is the smallest number. So we'll get 1 here, we'll subtract inside and add outside, so we'll get 2 as our next divisor, and here the 51 will come down. Okay, now we'll have to add a digit here. So what we can add? We can add 2, and by multiplying 22 with 2 we get 44, and if we put 23, then if I multiply 23 with 3, then I get 69. So 69 is bigger than 51, so we cannot take 3, we'll have to go with 2 only. So we write 2 here and 2 there and 44 here. Okay, so we subtract here and add outside, so we get 24 as our next divisor, and here we are getting 7, and the whole of 29 will come down. Okay, in the next step we'll repeat the same method. We'll add a digit after 24 and multiply the whole number with the same digit also. Okay, so here I'm going to multiply this number with 3. Okay, so let's check that 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, and 3 2s are 6, and carry 1, 729. So we are getting exactly 729. Okay, so we write 3 here. So our answer is coming out to be square root of 15129 is equal to 123. Okay, and the last example that we are going to see in this division method is very important, is to find the square root of 2. Okay, so the method is exactly the same. To find the square root of 2, we'll write 2 here, and we cannot mark any pairs here because 2 is a single digit. So what we'll do is that we can take only 1 here. 1 ones are 1, and inside we subtract and outside we add. Here it will come 2 as the next divisor, and inside it will come as 1. Now what we can do, we can put a decimal and we can take zeros in pairs only. Okay, so we have to put a decimal here also. Now this pair of zeros will come down, so we can take 4 here, because if I take 25 and multiply this with 5, then I'll get what? 125. Okay, so it will be greater than 100, so we cannot take 25, so we'll have to stick with 24. Then after multiplying 24 with 4, we get what? 96, and we add outside the 4 with 24, so we get 28 here. Okay, and inside after subtracting we get 4, and the whole 2 zeros will come down. Okay, here we can only multiply this with 1, because if we multiply 282 with 2, then it will become more than 400. Okay, so here we had to write 4, this 4 will come up, and here we have to write 1 also, so this will be 281. After subtracting, this will be 119. Okay, so here we, what you have to do is have to add 1. Okay, so here we are getting 282, and these 2 zeros will come down. Okay, again we have to find a digit. So now look, here we have 2 and here we have 11. Okay, so we can see that 2 5s are 10. So the digit that we have to take is round about 5. Okay, so if I take 5, let's see what happens. As 5 5s are 25, up to the 10, 12, 21, and becoming 14125. So it is getting bigger than 11900. So we'll have to stick with 4. Okay, so what we can do, we can add 4 here. Okay, so we'll get 2828 as our next divisor, and we'll add 4 here also, and after multiplying 2824 with 4, what we'll get? 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, and 1 9, 4 8s are 32, and 4 2s are 8, and 3 11. Okay, so 4 0 6, and after that another pair of 0 will come down. Okay, so this process will continue, as we know that root 2 is an irrational number. Okay, and what is the definition of irrational number? It is a non-terminating and non-repeating decimal expansion. Okay, so this is more or less the method of finding a square root with the division method. Okay, the next method is the factorization method. Okay, so let me clear this up. So next method is the factorization method. Okay, so this method is very simple, but it only works for complete squares only. Okay, for example, 4225, the same example that we did in the division method. Okay, we just have to factorize this. So first I will divide this with 5. 5 is a 40, and 5 4s are 20, and 5 5s are 25. Then again we have to use 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30, and 5 9s are 45. Okay, and 169 is divisible by 13. So 13 13s are 169. So here we can write that square root of 4225 will be square root of 5 into 5 into 13 into 13. So from these two 5, 1 5 will come out, and from these two 13s, 1 13 will come out, and the answer will be 65. Okay, so now we move on to our last method, which is called hit and trial method. Okay, this is a very useful method when we need to save time and answer the questions very quickly. So let me give you an example. Suppose we have to find square root of 4489. Okay, so how we go about this is that look at these two digits. It is 44. Okay, so we know that 6 6 is 36. Okay, 6 into 6 is 36, and 7 into 7 is 49. Okay, so this 44 falls between 36 and 49. So square root of this 4489 must be between 60 and 70. Okay, so now we move on to these two digits, especially the last digit. Okay, so think closely that between 60 and 70 there is only one number which can give, or there is only two numbers which can give 9 at the end. Okay, one is 63 and another one is 67, because 3 3s are 9 it comes, and 7 7s are 49, which also gives 9 at the end. Okay, so these two are our probable answers. Okay, now we check that 65 into 65. Okay, what is the answer of this? 5 5s are 25 and 6 7s are 42. So this 4489 is greater than 4225. Okay, so the answer must be 67. So after a bit of practice, you can do this in 10 to 12 seconds only. Okay, another example I'll give is square root of 2116. Here you can see that the square root of 2116 have to be between 40 and 50, because 4 4s are 16 and 5 5s are 25. So 21 lies between 16 and 25. Okay, and there are only two numbers which gives 6 after their squared. One is 44, another one is 46. So here we will use the same method also. Square root of 45 is what? Sorry, square of 45 is what? 5 5s are 25 and 4 5s are 20. So this number is what? More than this. 2116 is more than 2025. So the answer must be 46. It cannot be 44. Okay. So this method is very useful. After you practice a bit, you'll get this very easily. Okay. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification also. Thank you.